Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostic mode on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. In order to enter diagnostic mode, there is a certain sequence of buttons we will have to hit on the UI here. What we'll do is we will press power while the unit is powering on. We will press and hold the less and more time at the same time. So press power. While it was powering up, I pressed and held them. Now it's going to come up with a couple of things. First thing it's going to show you is just the electronic control inversion. There's going to be a couple things that pop up on here, such as the main PGM, the thermistor status, etc. In order to keep going through it, we will start by pressing start. Now this is going to show us a modem port. We press it one more time and it's going to turn on the motor and controller. Now at this point, you'll see the 23 on the screen. This is a good way for you to test out your moisture sensor. You can open the door and rub a wet towel on there and see if this changes any. The number should go up or go down depending on the amount of moisture. Just refer to your tech manual to see what it means. Press it again. The next one is going to energize the heater if it is electric, but this is gas, so it's not going to energize the valve. If we press it again, the next one will actually energize the gas valve if you have gas going to it. The next step is exactly the same. Now, these two steps that we have here is going to display the current temp on here. Since it is gas, it's going to display it in Celsius. So refer to some type of diagram to find out what those numbers mean according to what your temperature is inside your house. And if we press it one more time, it's going to turn it off, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.